welcome to Charlie's Bird. I'm Charlie and today we're doing a toy review on fidget spinners. I got my fidget spinner from Luna Park and mine's blue and black. I'll show you some tricks. I can do put one of these on it and I'll spin it. It's easy when you can do it. You can do it on a table, like a flat surface, and then like that. The fidget spinner is what I really want. Ones with headphones, and I found on eBay that some people are selling them with, you get a fidget spinner and you get this like little block, and it's like a fidget spinner and you can spin it and stuff and do like really cool tricks with it. And you can even take these metal parts out of here, and you can take the parts out of here. You can, and I really want one of them. I really want a golden one. I saw it on eBay last night. You can, someone was selling this golden one, and in the middle, so like it was golden, and it had colors inside, and it was only $3. And I really want the ones with the you can get ones with lights. I want the ones like glow in the dark, because they just have the metal ones instead of those ones, the light up ones, but you can just pop out, and they're plastic. And they run out of battery too, and you can't put new batteries in them. So I don't want them.
Go.
And I want one with, they have speakers. You can listen, and you can listen to music, and they can copy you, whatever you say. And some people, they can get if you can push these ends out, and you can also get these bits out. I'm thinking of buying one, and I'm thinking of buying the golden one because they have colours, and it's only like $3. So if I get, and no cents. So if I get that one, I can pop these ones out and swap them around. So the golden one, I could take the black one out, and I could put in the golden one, and I can take one of the colours out, and I could put it in that one. And the golden one, it's not just all golden. They have like little colours in the middle here, and you can get ones like on the spinner box. The boy, he got one, and he had these wasn't like a circle like this. He actually got a penny. He all these three were those pennies, and you can get ones, and you can like stack them up, and my friend Connor Brody, we have one, and we try putting something on it. When you do that, it just spins right off. I'll try a trick. I already done it, but it's different. Put the card upside down, and then put that on it, the outside, and spin it. So, thanks for watching my video. Find us on our Facebook page and subscribe to YouTube, and I hope you like my video. Bye, and I'll do more videos later. Bye.